Hello and welcome back to another DIY video. Before we get started, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And before we get started, we're going to be upgrading these chrome grill pieces right here. You'll notice that mine are starting to change colors. So I got some, just pretty much got some black ones. Should be pretty easy, but we'll see. First and foremost, you want to pop your hood, of course. From the driver's side, I'm actually probably going to do one side first so that I can give you better tips on the other side. Alright, so it's pretty much done. This is what it's going to look like right here. I'm going to show you some of the steps here. It's not overly difficult, but you definitely want to be a little careful so you don't break any parts. So go ahead and pop your hood open. So what I did with mine, I'm just going to loosen all these brackets right here, or clips. There's one right here. And then of course there's one on the other side. You're gonna loosen those both of these up with a flat blade screwdriver. And then get some needle nose pliers and pinch these loose. So with your needle nose pliers, again you're gonna squeeze these together, not too tightly, and then kind of wiggle it because this little plastic black sleeve is gonna come off. Blade. This is a very hard video for me to film, by the way. So slightly tug there. You can already see it kind of separating. So same thing on this side. Okay, you can kind of see that separating. So now I'm gonna have to put the camera down, but to get these two. See how that already came off. You're going to slowly lift it off. There's like a tab right up here, so you got to be super careful. Same thing right there. So you want to lean it kind of towards the hood to get it off the little oh man, there we go. Let me put the camera down again. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to zoom in. So this little tab right here, you're going to have to really get your flat blade in there. Just kind of wedge it in there. This one, there's one right here, and there's one right there. When you wedge it in, try to be careful because you don't want to snap the tab, but essentially this is what it looks like right there. See that? It kind of sits on top of this grill. So do the same thing on this side, and then we'll keep going. Alright, I think I finally got it. Whoops. Well, just give me a moment. It's hanging on by that one piece, but I'll pull it off here, off camera. Alright, so after a lot of maneuvering, I finally got it off. So let's just put this down right here. And we're going to keep going. All you need now is a flat blade screwdriver. Alright, so this part now should be pretty easy. All you're going to do is push these tabs in. You can either do it by hand or with your flat blade, but check it out, it's just like this. Push that like that. You kind of see it moving. You're going to do it for around all of it. Alright, so there's some more here on this side. But yeah, we're just going to I'm going to work my way around it and then it'll come off. Alright, so as you keep pushing it out, you literally just kind of work your way around it. It'll eventually come out just like that. Try not to break any of these tabs if you're going to reuse this or sell it or whatever. I'm going to go ahead and do everything in reverse. That part is going to be pretty straightforward. If you like this video, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help the YouTube algorithm. Hit subscribe to the channel. Thumbs up. thank you. Do the thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Alright guys, so this is pretty much what the finished product looks like. Again, this is just going to be the black grill insert right there. I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. Pretty good DIY. It's only 30 bucks on Amazon. Again, if you like it, thumbs up. Subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.